Happy Memorial Day. It looks like it's just going to be Thane and I tending to some things around here. So just a small amount of potato salad on the making. And I'm switching up my rib recipe that I shared with you guys, which is so good. But what I'm doing is I'm just adding a little bit of mustard ahead of time, just yellow, good mustard. Okay. And remember, I made extra mix for my rub, and then I'll just put them in the little rub bath, and then they're coated, and I'll put them in a 300-degree oven for about 2.5 hours. And bone side up, I will cover these, and then I am going to make my sauce in a saucepan on the stove, homemade barbecue sauce. It's delicious, and it simply is equal parts of like vinegar, ketchup, water, and then the rub mix is the same. So I'm going to get busy here and get them going, and I hope whatever you do, you remember what Memorial Day is actually for, and thank God for our country and those who serve.